Hey everybody, it's Julie on the voiceover giving you another fun STEM video for this holiday season. It's 12 days of STEM here at Building Bridges Club. Let's get ready to rumble. Today we're making, drumroll please, snowstorms! Very, very exciting, I know. We just had that massive blizzard, so let's get one started on our houses using the magic of science. First up, we need ingredients, y'all. Science is just like baking. Gotta get your goods together. I've got a glass or a clear jar. Also gonna need baby oil. White acrylic paint. Ooh. And Alka-Seltzer tablets. For your tummy? I'm just kidding, for the experiment. Glitter is optional, but it really adds some extra pizzazz, so have fun with it. Here we go. Step 1. About to be shown right here. There we go. Fill your glass or jar about 2/3 full of baby oil. That's right. All full of oil. Nice. Okay, it's step 2. It's step 2. I'm so excited to see what it is. Oh, we're making the paint mixture. Alright, get a little bit of water and mix a little bit of paint together. Blend it up real nice. Dissolve it. That's a science word right there. Dissolve. Guys, can you believe we're already on step 3? What a fast and fun experiment. Alright, we're going to pour the white paint mixture we just made into our baby oil. Check this out, guys. Wow. Wow. Now you might be asking, Julie, is that it? No, we're still prepping, guys. It's coming. Now what you've all been waiting for, step 4, the last step. Get those Alka-Seltzers, rip open that package, break it apart, and toss them in there. Oh, yo, it's a blizzard! It's a blizzard! Nice! Wow. Okay, and cherry on top, we're talking science now. Does anyone know what density means? I'll give you some time to think about that one. Alright, if you got this, density is a measure of how heavy something is compared to how much space it takes up. Water is more dense than oil. Remember how the white water paint mixture sunk to the bottom? Key example there, water is more dense, so it sunk to the bottom. Also, oil and water are immiscible, which means they will not mix and will always separate into layers. Finally, Alka-Seltzer has a chemical known as sodium bicarbonate and another chemical called citric acid in it. When those mix with water, they form the gas carbon dioxide. When gas forms in liquid, they make bubbles, and the carbon dioxide travels right up to the surface and releases into the air. While those bubbles are flying through the water, they bring some of the paint mixture up with it, which is why we saw a blizzard of flying white paint. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more fun experiments. Happy holidays and stay safe. Bye guys.